Camera, positive points. 34% of reviews users appreciate the camera's performance in well-lit conditions, praising its ability to capture clear and detailed images. Front camera received high ratings in some reviews, with users finding it suitable for selfies and video calls. Many users find the picture quality satisfactory for a phone in this price range, especially in daylight scenarios. Negative points. 14% of reviews. Some users expressed disappointment with the camera's performance in low-light conditions, noting a drop in image quality. A few users compared the camera to other phones in a similar price range and found it lacking in certain aspects. Battery. Positive points. 26% of reviews. A significant portion of users praised the battery performance, citing it as one of the phone's strengths. Some users appreciated the generous battery capacity, which contributes to longer usage times. Negative points. 18% of reviews. Reports of fast battery draining were mentioned in several reviews, indicating a potential inconsistency in battery performance for certain users. A few users expressed that the battery didn't meet their expectations, expecting more extended periods of usage. Processor. Positive points. 16% of reviews. Users generally found the processor to deliver satisfactory performance, allowing for smooth multitasking and app usage. Negative points. 0% of reviews. No significant negative feedback regarding the processor. Display. Positive points. 22% of reviews. Users generally found the display quality to be good, even though it's an IPS panel. Many appreciated its vibrant colors and clarity. Positive feedback was given on black levels and outdoor usability, indicating a satisfactory viewing experience. Negative points. 12% of reviews. Some users expressed a preference for AMOLED displays, suggesting that personal display preferences vary among users. Sound quality. Positive points. 12% of reviews. Positive feedback on sound quality, especially with Dolby Atmos speakers, contributing to an immersive audio experience. Negative points. 8% of reviews. Some users reported dissatisfaction with sound quality, particularly with dual speakers, indicating a potential area for improvement. Who should buy the Motorola G54 5G phone? Budget-conscious users. The phone offers good value for its price, making it a suitable choice for those looking for a budget-friendly device. Basic usage. If you primarily use your phone for basic tasks like calls, messaging, browsing, and social media, this phone should meet your needs. Battery life priority. If you prioritize long battery life for extended usage without frequent charging, the G54 5G is a strong contender. Stock Android enthusiasts. Users who prefer a near-stock Android experience with minimal bloatware will appreciate the phone's software. Light gaming. The device is suitable for light to moderate gaming, making it a good option for casual gamers. Who should not buy the Motorola G54 5G phone? Camera enthusiasts. If you rely heavily on your phone for high-quality photography, especially in low-light conditions, you may find the camera performance lacking. Heavy gamers. Intensive gaming may lead to heating issues, so individuals who plan on extended gaming sessions might want to explore other options. AMOLED display seekers. If you prioritize vibrant, high-contrast displays, and you're looking for an AMOLED panel, this phone may not meet your expectations. Those preferring lighter phones. While some appreciated the phone's lightweight design, a few users found it to be slightly heavier than expected.